Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to my channel. In this video, guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make money with Trust Wallet. For those of you that have Trust Wallet, you are eager to make massive money with your Trust Wallet account. Yes, you are eager to make massive money. Just like you can see my wallet right now, I'm having $91,000, and this is a very huge amount of money in Naira at least. And for those that live in any other country, I think this amount also is a very good amount for those of them as well. So you can see the amount of coins I'm holding. You can see ANY. I'm having that coin. I think roughly $56,000 worth of the coin, which is about 32,800. And also BNB, I'm having like 30 BNB, and this 30 BNB worth about 31,000 $31,000. That is the worth. So if you go, you see I have USDT. USDT, I'm having about 2,000 USDT. Okay, so you see other coins I'm having here, other small coin. So right now, a lot of you like, how can I make money like this? How is it possible? So there's something I want to teach you guys in this video, how to make things like this possible. That's what I'm going to talk about in this video right now. So for us to start, I will need to go to dive into my browser. So for those of you right now that don't have um, Trust Wallet, then rush to your Play Store and download the Trust Wallet so you can follow up what we are going to do do in this particular video. So if you're using iPhone or Android phone, this method will work for you. But those of you using computer, this method will not work for you. So you need to use your mobile phone to achieve this goal, right? So since we have explained all that, so what we need to do right now is to go to your browser and type in BNB. So you're going to see BNB smart contract or BNB address, whatever you're going to see there. So you can see BNB address for Trust Wallet and all that, BNB address, $10,000 and all that. So just type in the BNB, then move on. You're going to see address like this. So this first address here, you're seeing it. You see other address. If you go down below, you're seeing another address at the bottom. If I scroll down, also you're seeing another address. So if you continue scrolling, you're going to be seeing many addresses. Okay, you're going to see many addresses as long as you continue scrolling. So anywhere you click, you're going to see it like this. Okay, so remember I said if you click on it, you're going to see it like this, right? And when you click on it, when you see it like this, what is that thing that we need to achieve this goal, right? So that is what every one of you are waiting for. And let's dive in. I'm going to come back. Let me choose this address. Okay, so any address you are choosing, please, this is a particular place you're going to pay attention. Okay, so let me show you. On this place you're seeing balance, please pay attention on this balance section. Okay, it's very important, guys. So this section is very important where you're seeing this BNB balance. If there's no balance on it, please skip that particular one and then move on to another one, because that one will not do our job for us. So let's move on to another one. Okay. So on this one as well, you're seeing that the address is 0 as well. So, and when you see it 0, then please skip. As I said, it's not going to work because that is 0 and there's no fund that we can be able to take from there, because this is a method of like thief. Okay, so now, on this particular address, let's move on to the first one. The reason why I skipped the first one, I wanted to let you guys see some things. That's why I didn't go for the first one. So if you click on the first address here right now, you are going to see that the first address have about about 30 BNB, right? So let me show you. If you see here, you are seeing that it has about 30 BNB. And when you see the value at the bottom here, you're seeing about $31,000. So that shows that this particular address has fund inside, right? So you can go ahead and copy it, and I will drop the address in the video description as well. So, but now, majority of people say, what of if it doesn't show for me the first one, right? So you just need to come to the platform like this, and then you are going to see other particular BNB that you can also open to copy address from, right? Because these places, what is the work of this particular platform? Every transaction is being it's always passed through this particular platform before the transaction will go through. So you can come down here and spy other wallets. Okay, just come down here, you can spy a lot of other wallets and see the wallet you can decide to go with. But as I said, the first one will always do the work for you, right? The first wallet, let's say this particular one right now that I go through, well, now you can see now that the balance on this particular one is about 800 plus. Okay, that is the balance on this particular address. So let me use this particular address for the tutorial purpose, right? So I'm just going to copy this address right now. Click here. You're going to see this. Sorry, that's not there. All right. You're going to click on it, and when you click on it, sorry, you are going to see the copy stuff there. Then just click on the copy. Okay, so when you just click on the copy, basically you are going to copy the address. You can see now I've just copied it. Then what I need to do now is to go back to my Trust Wallet, right? So on my Trust Wallet, I'm going to put in my password and then dive in. So now what I need to do right now is to scroll and then click on the wallet section here. Just click on the wallet. When you click on the wallet, you're going to see it open like this. Then a session, this session like this. Let me show you. So this session, that's in that plus. So you will need to click that plus right now. And when you click on that plus, then you need to click exist. So like add existing wallet. So they will that one. So click on it. And when you click on it, it's going to show like this. So when it shows like this, next thing you need to select is view only wallets. So you need to click on view only wallets. A lot of you say view only wallet. How is it that? So how can I withdraw the money? So I'm going there. I'm showing you guys how to withdraw the money, right? So view, and now we want to click on BNB Smart Chain. Okay, not the smart contract, the smart chain. Okay, so we want to paste in the address we copied. So when you paste in the address you copied like this, it's going to say like this, say view only wallet added. So say continue. So what I want to let you guys know is this: um in case you try adding the wallet and the wallet does not go through, one thing you need to bear in mind is that you have done a mistake and you need to correct yourself, right? So that means you selected a smart contract. So please type in BNB on the search bar and you're going to see the other BNB stuff. Then select any of them and put in the wallet. Anyone that it shows green, that means that one is the right one. Then you move on, right? So here I have put the wallet, and you can see in USDT, we're having about $7,416, right? So that is a huge amount of money, right? And when you come to the BNB, we don't have much. We have about $853. That is what we have there. It's a huge amount of money because this amount is more than 50 million naira in Nigeria. So now the problem is, let me refresh again, right? I can refresh to see. Can see that the prices is changing as I'm refreshing it. Now the problem is this: you cannot withdraw this money, right? Um, Now a lot of you have tried this and you want to make a withdrawal, you cannot withdraw the money. So what is the solution? So if I come to this USDT stuff here, and then you can see transferred plus transfer out. Okay, that shows that you can actually withdraw from this, right? But now you have tried this and you're unable to withdraw. Now you're wondering, how can I be able to do that? How can I be able to withdraw? Now, let me tell you something. People out here sell a software for you, application, tell you that you need to buy a login, 5,000, 10,000, $2, $3, $10 before you can be able to make this withdrawal when you log in. Let me tell you, the truth is that those people are scammers. They are after your money. That is the truth. The password they're going to buy doesn't work for anything. It's only a password for just a trash application that doesn't even have value to you. So please, I would recommend you and advise you, please, do not participate in such thing instead of you wasting money. Instead, take the amount of money, that piece of money, buy a meme coin and invest it in it, and then in a few weeks you're going to see it skyrocket. Please, there is no free money anywhere out there. No free money. As I said, I repeat again, there's no free money out there. Any trick that show you, they only just show you to thief you or to steal out of your pocket. That is just the truth. They will not tell you because they're after to sell application to you to take out your money. So there is no free money out there. I repeat again. So thank you for watching my video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Love.